Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are visiting for the first time, my name's Aubrey and it's been a minute. I've done a couple vlogs and so I feel like it's been a while since I've sat down in front of you guys and just like did a regular video. So I figured what better way than unboxing my October's Boxy charm. I have to say, I wasn't very impressed with September's. Like based on other people's videos I saw, I was expecting other things. I mean, there was a couple things that I liked, but some things I'm not going to keep. So I was just a little disappointed. Like one of the biggest reasons I signed up for September was the Laura Geller, I think like gold bronzer or whatever, or highlighter. And I didn't get it. So I was like really upset, not upset, but I was disappointed by that. But I got September's like a week ago. And I was like, well, it's too late really to do September now. But then I got October's like 2 days ago. So it came really fast after the September one did. So I figured I'm going to share this with you guys. I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see. And so yeah, I'm going to open this and go through everything. I have really no idea what's even in it. So I'm actually really excited. And the anticipation's killing me. But if you guys want to see what's in this Boxy charm box, this is October, then make sure you keep watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe. We're getting so close to 500 and I'm super happy. I'm really excited. It's like, I don't know, like I don't know. I can't even express how happy I am. I love doing this and love making videos and love everything. Talking to people on YouTube, and you guys are so great. Like you comment about my videos and about Jake, and I don't know, I just love it. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you want to see more Boxy charm unboxings, and follow me on Instagram. But without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside, shall we? I've got my handy dandy gold scissors. These are actually my favorite scissors ever. I got these at Target and they're like the Nate Berkus brand or something. Had them for a long time. But let's get to it, okay? Just gonna get in there. Super sharp. Okay. First glance, nothing really too special. There is a little, oh, I saw this on the last one. There's like a coupon, 10% off your next purchase for It Cosmetics. I'm not a big fan of It Cosmetics, I don't know. And then, oh, it talks about what's inside. So, ooh, okay, let's see. There's a little foam protecting things. All right, so the first thing I noticed is this little guy. Called the Ahava, or it's by Ahava, and it's called Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It smells like Jergens. Literally smells like Jergens. Okay. Okay, so I got a full size makeup thingy. I guess they're all full size, right? I suck at focusing. This is It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. You guys know me, I'm not a big fan of mascara, so that's what it looks like. I can't really swatch that, can I? Ooh, a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Okay, so this is color Bow and Arrow. Can you see that? I'm sorry guys, I suck. Let's see here, shall we? I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks only because they're so drying. I have tried hers in the past. I don't remember what I didn't like about it, but I really like that color. It's like really pretty. I'm gonna actually swatch this for you guys. Oh my goodness, that's really creamy. Holy crap. This is like a perfect fall color. You guys see that? I'm actually kind of excited about that. I won't even lie. Okay, what's next? Ooh. Okay, so this is next. This is Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I love hair product, and this is probably exactly what I need right now. Oh, that smells good. All right. Okay. 2 wins so far. I'm not too crazy about the hand cream or the mascara, but I am really digging the liquid lipstick and the hair product. And then this last thing, it's by Pure. It's Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Oh, sorry, that glare is terrible, but there you guys go. I've never heard of this brand. Maybe you guys have. Oh, ooh, okay. I'm so excited. Let me get my scissors out again because it's difficult to open. Never open stuff like I do. It's how you cut your face. Never have cut my face, but I can only imagine maybe it'll happen one day. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm already liking the packaging. It's just like the box, but not as glary. How cute is that, right? Okay, so there's, looks like 4 different like blushes, not like, 4 different blushes, and I'm really digging this color and this color. And then there's a little mirror, as you can see, and then 6 eyeshadows. Green, what is that, like silver, purple, brown, and then 2 blues. Like, I'm not big on like colors, you know, like you guys see me do my makeup. I'm pretty like brown kind of girl. But I'm excited to try these actually. Goodness, they just really want to protect these, don't they? There's like so many obstacles to get into this thing. I'm gonna swatch one of the eyeshadows. Let's go into, oh, that feels creamy. You guys see that? I'm gonna swatch it next to the, oh wow. That went on super creamy, holy crap. I might have to do a makeup look with one of these. Maybe not the blue, but definitely that green and the purple. Oh. Now I'm gonna swatch one of the blushes just to see the pigmentation quality. I think I'm gonna go in with, well, I guess, okay, so if you really look at it, I guess this would be a highlight, bronzer, and 2 blushes, but you could still use this as a blush, you know, with your skin tone. So we'll go in with that color. This one right here. That's what I'm swatching. Swirly swirl. Okay, so you see, oh, I'm just gonna do it right here now. Oh my gosh! Holy crap. That's like eyeshadow creamy. Guys, this is actually a win. This is a good palette. I'm excited to play with this. Really excited. All right. So out of 5 things, 3 things I really like, and I've got stuff on my fingers. But that's not too bad. I mean, Boxy Charm is $21 a month. So I mean, yeah, definitely a good bang for my buck. And I did sign up for the Boxy Luxe Charm, I don't know, like the bigger box for winter, for like winter season, I guess. So on top of the $21 a month, then you like pay like quarterly an extra 20 bucks, I think. And then once a quarter, you get like 11 full-size products. So, I mean, duh. It's like a no-brainer. It's kind of like FabFitFun box. It's like, why wouldn't you do it? Even if you don't like everything in the box, there's enough things that you do like that it's definitely worth your money. So, definitely really loving that palette. Love the, well, I haven't really played with this yet. Oh, as you can see, it's pretty dry. Let's see. Huh. I mean, there is some smudge. It's not smudge proof, that's for sure, but I don't really care about that much. But it's not like super dry. Like, I still feel some moisture in that, so I'm excited to try that lipstick out. And if you guys like this, then make sure you click the like button. If you do want me to do like a tutorial using maybe the palette and the lipstick, then let me know in the comments below. I'll do that. I had fun. I mean, this is a quick video because there's just a couple things, but that's what this is for, right? So if you haven't got the October box, then maybe you should check it out because 3 out of 5 seems like a pretty good deal for me. But again, don't forget to subscribe. We're getting so close to the goal. And like this video. of course, and follow me on Instagram. But I had fun filming this for you guys, and I will see you guys soon. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands right now. It's weird. Don't judge me. Until next time. Until next time, guys. Bye.